Track 63.
Hello, are you Wilton?
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Janet.
Hello, Janet. Nice to meet you too.
Come in. Leave your bag there.
Okay, thanks.
Come in. Meet my family.
Yes, thank you.
So, Wilton is a student and he's with us for 1 month.
Welcome.
Hi.
These are my sons, Aled
Hi.
and Ben.
Hi.
Ben and... Can you say that again?
Aled.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. How are you?
Good, thanks.
You're not tired?
No, I'm okay.
Where are you from, Wilton?
Arequipa.
Sorry? Where?
Arequipa, Peru.
Track 64.
Where are you from, Wilton?
Arequipa.
Sorry? Where?
Arequipa, Peru.
Okay. How long does it take to get here?
Sorry, can you say it again?
How long does it take from Peru to here?
16 hours.
Okay. A long time. But you're not tired.
No, I'm okay.
Are you hungry? Do you want anything to eat?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah, sorry. Are you hungry? Do you want any food?
No, thank you. Do you have any tea?
Of course. Do you want any milk in it?
Sorry?
Tea with milk?
No, black. Thanks.
And you don't want anything else? No food?
No, thank you. Do you have for my phone?
A charger?
Yes. My phone doesn't have, batería. How do you say it?
It's the same. Battery.
Yes, my phone has no battery and I need can you say it?
Charger.
Yes, I don't have my charger. It's in Peru.
Oh, okay. Ben, do you have a charger?
What phone is it?
This.
Oh, yes. No problem.